Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App Barcode to load money at Dollar General. This method isn't limited to just Dollar General. It works at all participating stores that support Cash App Barcode scanning. So whether you're shopping at your local store or grabbing essentials on the go, you'll have an easy and secure way to add funds to your Cash App balance. Let's dive right in. Once you arrive at Dollar General store, take out your device and open the Cash App. On the bottom left side of the app, you will see either a dollar amount or a bank icon. Simply tap on it and you'll be taken to the appropriate screen. Scroll down and select Cash, then click on Show Barcode at the bottom. A pop-up menu will appear. Just tap Show Barcode and a screen displaying a barcode will appear at the top. The cashier at store will scan this barcode, and within moments, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful deposit of funds. That's it for this video.